Hello, everyone, and welcome to EasySpeak Podcast. I'm John, and I'm really happy you're here with us today. If you're learning English and you're just starting your journey, don't worry, you're in the right place.
Hi, I'm Judy. It's great to be here. And yes, this podcast is perfect for beginner English learners. We speak slowly, we use simple words, and we give you time to understand everything.
Exactly. Before we begin, take a deep breath and relax. Learning a new language takes time, but you're doing great already.
Today, we're talking about daily routines. Things we all do every day. Morning, afternoon, and night. Simple actions, useful phrases, and clear examples.
So, Judy, let's start with the morning. What's the first thing you do when you open your eyes?
Well, honestly, the first thing I do is not get up. I wake up, but I stay in bed for a few minutes. I look at the ceiling, think about the day, and sometimes I check my phone.
Same here. Listeners, remember, wake up means your eyes open, but you're still in bed. Get up means you leave the bed, stand up, and start your day.
Right. So after I wake up, I finally get up. I go to the bathroom, wash my face, and brush my teeth. After that, I usually take a shower. The warm water helps me feel alive again.
I know that feeling. I normally take a shower too, but only after I stretch a little. My back always says, ugh, when I get out of bed.
Oh, same. Stretching is important.
Okay, so after the shower, what do you do next?
I put on a bit of makeup. Not much. And then I get dressed. Oh, and I always make my bed. When my bed is tidy, I feel more ready for the day.
Good habit. I make my bed too, though sometimes not very well.
That still counts.
Listeners, make your bed doesn't mean build a bed. It simply means fix your blanket and pillows.
Next, I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. Usually tea and toast. Something simple.
I like bigger breakfasts. Sometimes I cook eggs or warm up leftovers. And after eating, I often do the housework. I clean the dishes, wipe the table, things like that.
Yes, housework means small cleaning jobs. Simple but necessary.
Once or twice a week, I do the shopping. I buy fruit, vegetables, bread, all the usual things.
Me too. I make a list before I go, so I don't forget anything. Though, I always buy a small snack. Something sweet.
Same here. A tiny reward for being a responsible adult. Okay, let's move to the evening. Judy, what do you do when you get home after a long day?
First, I change my clothes. Then I relax for a bit. Sometimes I watch a short video or read something easy in English. Later, I cook dinner or heat up leftovers.
I also like quiet evenings. Sometimes I take a shower again, a warm one, and just, relax.
Same. A warm shower is the perfect end to the day.
Now, two very important phrases. Go to bed and go to sleep.
Yes, go to bed means lie down in your bed. You might still be awake. You could read, scroll your phone, or just think.
Go to sleep means your eyes close and your body rests. For example, I go to bed at 10. I go to sleep at 10:30.
Exactly. And on some nights, I have a late night. Maybe I watch a long movie or talk to a friend.
Oh, me too. And the next morning, I always regret it.
Same, but sometimes late nights are fun.
All right, everyone. You did amazing today. Learning simple daily routine phrases helps you talk about your life in English.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and don't worry about mistakes.
Thank you for listening to EasySpeak Podcast. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.
Goodbye!